One of the things I want to accomplish from this particular property is to fund my son's college. I actually invested his monies because I was saving monies for him to purchase a car as a graduation gift, but instead I acquired a property so that we can flip it, and not only will I be able to purchase his car, but also fund his college tuition. I am Stacy. I'm a local realtor and a mother of 3 beautiful children. I've been operating in real estate for over 10 years now. This is actually my 10th year. New carpets in every room. A lot of the doors had to be fixed, replaced, or patched. Over the 10 years of my real estate experience, I have seen the ways, the curves, the ups and downs of real estate. I decided to take a leap into the investment world, so I took upon myself to research, and of course I came across Investor's Edge. So one of the things that appealed to me with Investor Edge is simply the streamline of services that they provide and all the resources and tools that was available to assist me with identifying properties, valuing properties, and moving forward with the investment component. And of course, all of the walls have been painted with agreeable gray. It took us about 3 weeks to complete this particular project. There was approximately $25,000 to $30,000 worth of cosmetic work that was put into it, leaving me with approximately profit of about $30,000 to $65,000. So one of the things that I'm looking forward to in investing is being able to create an avenue for my kids. I have several children, and each one of them, I desire for them to own a real estate property so that they can acquire passive income. I would highly recommend Investor Edge to anyone looking to invest into a real estate project, especially if it's your first project.